First, all new at 6 from the ABC 15 investigators. The Maricopa County Attorney's Office facing a major new lawsuit in an unprecedented case.
It alleges prosecutors intentionally violated people's rights, coercing them into plea deals before they can see the evidence against them.
The ACLU just filed the suit this morning, and all new at 6, investigator Dave Biskeving breaks down how it could upend the way the county attorney's office handles tens of thousands of cases every year.
Now, this lawsuit, this story may seem a bit complicated, but stick with us because it's important. It reveals how people, and yes, even innocent people, get pressured to plead guilty to crimes.
619, may I please have the parties announced?
It's April 2nd inside Maricopa County Superior Court. It's a status conference in the criminal case against Sam Lucky. He's here. This is his defense attorney, the prosecutor, and the judge.
Is that how you'd like to proceed?
The purpose of this hearing, decide whether or not Sam wants to have a preliminary hearing. What's that? A hearing to hear whether prosecutors have enough evidence or probable cause to support the charges against him. Now, normally, it would be a quick, routine decision, a simple yes or no.
Can I say something, Judge?
But live in court, Sam is about to call out the county attorney's office and the way it does business in tens of thousands of cases, basically threatening to pull plea deals and retaliating if defendants challenge the legitimacy of the cases against them.
All right, sir. I understand it's a tough situation, but I wish you luck going forward. Anything further from either attorney?
It's not fair.
No, Your Honor.
It's not fair.
The ACLU, both local and national, is suing the Maricopa County Attorney's Office on behalf of Sam Lucky and thousands of others. This class action lawsuit challenges the constitutionality of the county's Early Disposition Court, or EDC. And what's that? It's pretty complicated, so here's a very basic overview. After you're arrested, prosecutors will initially put your case into the EDC process. The hope is to squeeze together or eliminate as many steps as possible. So in order to do that, prosecutors make an initial plea deal, what they claim is their best deal, before they have to lay out their evidence or prove the charges are even legitimate. And every year, tens of thousands of cases are handled this way.
Not justice, it's an assembly line.
Jared Keenan is an ACLU attorney.
You have people who are showing up to court really at their first hearing, right? Often the first time they've met their attorney, and they're being told, you know, today you sign this and go to prison, or it's going to get much worse.
According to the lawsuit, the initial plea deals often have lines like this. This offer will be withdrawn and no longer available after today's hearing date. Note, county attorney policy dictates that if the defendant rejects this offer, any subsequent offer tendered will be substantially harsher. So basically, MCAO is telling defendants at the very beginning, if you exercise your constitutional rights to have a preliminary hearing, challenge the charges, and get all of the evidence in your case, then their policy is to penalize you for it. Now, back to Sam Lucky's case.
I don't want to take it to trial. Yeah, I'll waive it. I'll waive it. There's nothing I can do. What can I do? It's damn if I do, damn if I don't. I mean, what can I do?
Or if I go to...
Sam is facing multiple drug charges. We spoke to him about the lawsuit.
That's a threat.
But his attorney advised him not to discuss the facts of his criminal case, especially after he challenged the court.
Does anyone threaten you in any way to get you to waive this right?
In a way, that's threatening. That's what I'm trying to express. That seems threatening. If I go along with it, they're going to take a plea that they gave me and they're not giving me nothing. That sounds threatening to me in a way. Not saying ain't nobody said they're going to kill me or nothing like that, but this is my life here. It's like, that in a way, in my eyes, that's threatening.
The ACL lawsuit alleges the EDCs are a constitution-free zone where the goal is speed, not justice. And like in Sam's case, the suit further claims there's a racial and poverty aspect in all of this, one that could drive innocent people to plead guilty.
The people that are most vulnerable in the system, the communities that are most over-policed and most over-prosecuted, are the very communities that are going to be stuck in jail pre-trial on a bond they can't afford, and threatened with a harsher deal if they don't take the first one. And so if you're sitting in jail, losing your job, losing your housing, right, not being able to provide for your family, there's a ton of pressure to plead guilty and just get out of jail.
I'm investigator Dave Biskeving, ABC 15, Arizona.
Now, there is another side to this. So what does the Maricopa County Attorney's Office have to say? We'll have to wait and see how they answer in court. A spokesperson telling ABC 15 they will not comment on pending litigation. You can find more stories and watch our award-winning investigations streaming now on the ABC 15 channel on these streaming devices.